Ever wondered how to maximize your garden's yield and keep pests at bay? The secret might lie in companion planting. This method helps increase crop yield, offers natural pest control, and enhances plant health. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 tips for companion planting success. Tip number 1, understand plant relationships. You see, some plants thrive when they're planted together, while others may stunt each other's growth. It's essential to research and decipher these relationships before you start planting. Remember, a harmonious garden is a productive one. Moving on to tip number 2, consider plant sizes and growth rates. This foresight ensures an orderly, harmonious garden. Proper planning prevents poor performance in the garden. Tip number 3, rotate crops regularly. This simple change helps ward off pests and diseases, keeping your garden healthy. Change is good, especially in your garden. Our 4th tip, use companion planting charts. They're indispensable guides for beginners, simplifying plant pairing decisions. Charts are your cheat sheet to a thriving garden. Our final tips are: mix flowers with veggies, attract beneficial insects, and don't be afraid to experiment. Interplanting can create a visually appealing garden, while beneficial insects help control pests. Remember, gardening is an art of trial and error. So there you have it, our top 7 tips for companion planting success. Remember, companion planting rewards patience. So thumbs up, subscribe for more tips. Until then, happy gardening.